Hey there, happy holidays. I'm Mark and I'm glad you're with me for this drawing lesson. Today we'll be drawing a candle for Christmas time. All you need for this project is a sheet of paper, a pencil, an eraser, and some colored markers. Don't forget to stick around to the end of the video. That's when I color in this candle and it turns out really cool. You don't want to miss it. Alright, so we're going to start with the main part of our candle. So I'm just going to draw this little bumpy shape that goes across from side to side. And then I'm just going to draw a light line down the center. And then we'll just have these like little drips of candle wax kind of going down the edge like this. And then we could do some extra candle wax dripping on the other side. Just like that. And then where these drips happen, you can actually extend a few of these lines like this. And then over on this side, just kind of do the same. And then I'll just do a few more little bumps that kind of show that the wax is like dripping here. Just have a couple extra lines like that. Okay, now we'll draw the wick. So I'm going to do this little shape that kind of comes up, gets a little thicker, and drops down. And then at the top, we'll have the flame right around here. The flame's going to kind of come off of this, and then we're going to come up and curve like this. And then on the inner part, we'll just draw an outline kind of follows that shape there. Alright, now at the base of our candle, I'm going to draw this little center of a ribbon. So I'm going to do a shape like this with a bump in the middle, and then we're going to come down and then do the same two bumps and join up like that. So it's going to be like this square shape with just uneven edges. Then we'll do a couple lines in the middle. Okay, then I'm going to have a bow that kind of comes off to the left. So we're going to come up, and then this is going to come down like that. And then right here, we're going to round and come back into the middle, right around there. And now as this lower part, we're going to round this, and it's going to come up and down like so. And then we'll put a couple lines like this. And then we'll do the same down here. Now we're going to come from this bottom corner. We're going to do this little teardrop shape. So we're going to do a teardrop shape, but this one's going to be a little bit longer than the last one. It's going to be like that. And then we're going to come up at an angle slightly. And then this is going to come and follow this shape here. We're going to follow that just like this. Then we can repeat the process on the other side. Now we'll extend these two shapes, two ends of the ribbons down in this direction. So starting from my center, I'm going to go over to the left a little bit and just draw a line that's kind of squiggly a little bit, not too perfect and straight. And we'll do another one on this side, like that. And then we'll draw a little V shape that's upside down, and then we'll come up from there. And we can draw these two lines coming from there, and then we'll have this a little bit longer. We'll do a V shape here, and then we'll come in like that. Do two shapes there. Then we can draw a little shadow line here. So draw a curve like this. And I'll do the same on this side, and then we'll do one in this direction like that, and then we'll do one right here. Okay, and then we want to put some green flower shapes over here, so I'm just going to do these little, like these triangular shapes, and then we'll just kind of come out like that, these little pointy shapes like this. And then I'll do another one this direction, and then this is just gonna come and point like that. And then we can do another one from this side here. Just gonna point this down like that, and then just have another one on this side. And then inside here we could do some more little pointed triangular shapes. Do that for all of the 4 pieces that we just drew. Alright, so there's our candle. Now go ahead and use your ink pen and outline your candle. Using an eraser, I'll go ahead and gently erase these pencil lines and kind of clean up our drawing so that we can color this in. Alright, so let's go ahead and color in our candle. I hope you had a lot of fun drawing this candle with me. Please like the video, and why not subscribe to my channel, because I do videos like this every weekday. And until the next one, I want to see you there. So bye-bye.